हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज की वीडियो में हम क्लास 8 चैप्टर 4 ज्योग्राफी का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो पूरी लास्ट तक देखिए ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। द ट्रांसमिशन फ्रॉम अ प्लांट टू अ फिनिश प्रोडक्ट इन्वॉल्व 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज: प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टेरिटरी। ये तो आप सभी लोग जानते होंगे। चलिए पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज एग्रीकल्चर? एग्रीकल्चर is a primary activity that include growing crop, vegetable, fruit, flower and rearing livestock. Agriculture is a primary activity as it is connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. Second question. Name the factor influencing agriculture. The factors that influence agriculture include soil, climate, topography, population, etc. What is shifting cultivation? What are its disadvantages? Shifting cultivation is also known as slice and burn cultivation. It is a type of farming activity which involves clearing of land plot by cutting down trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crop are grown. After the land has lost its fertility, it is abandoned. The farmer then moves to a new place. Disadvantages of shifting cultivations are: leads to deforestation, loss of fertility of a particular land, leads to soil erosion, burning of tree causes air pollution, insufficient cultivation of crop for a large population. What is plantation agriculture? Next question. Plantation are types of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. Large amount of capital are required. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factories. The development of a transport network is essential for such farming. Major plantations are found in the tropical region of the world. Rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. Name the fiber crop and name the climatic condition required for their growth. इसका आंसर देखेंगे। Jute and cotton are fiber crops. The climatic conditions necessary for the growth of jute are high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. Similarly, for the growth of cotton, high temperature, light rainfall, bright sunshine are required. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर देखेंगे। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर में। हॉर्टिकल्चर मीन्स आपका पहला ऑप्शन है ग्रोइंग ऑफ फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल, दूसरा ऑप्शन है प्रिमिटिव फार्मिंग, तीसरा ऑप्शन है ग्रोइंग ऑफ व्हीट। इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, ग्रोइंग ऑफ फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन। गोल्डन फाइबर रेफर्स टू, पहला ऑप्शन है टी, दूसरा ऑप्शन है कॉटन, तीसरा ऑप्शन है जूट और आपका सही आंसर होगा जूट। लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑफ कॉफ़ी, पहला ऑप्शन है ब्राज़ील, दूसरा इंडिया, तीसरा रसिया। इसका आंसर होगा ब्राज़ील। गिव रीजन, तीसरा क्वेश्चन। इन इंडिया एग्रीकल्चर इज अ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी। गिव रीजन। Agriculture is a primary activity because many regions in India have fertile land that is favorable for agriculture. Two-thirds of the Indian population is still dependent on agriculture. This is mainly because of the lack of literacy among the people. Hence, India being a densely populated country requires large-scale production of food to fulfill the people needs. Different crops are grown in different regions. Different crops are grown in different regions because growing the crop depends on factors such as favorable topography of soil, demand of produce, types of climate, amount of rainfall, technology and labor. Fourth question. Distinguish between the following. पहला, primary activity and tertiary activity. Primary activity are related to production and extraction of natural resources such as fishing, agriculture, mining, whereas tertiary activities are those that provide support to primary and secondary sector in carrying out their activities like transportation, banking, financing, etc. Third, substance farming and substance farming and intensive farming. Substance farming is a type of farming that the farmer practice to meet the needs of his family. The cultivation of crop is done for personal consumption. It involves low level of technology and household labor to produce a small output in intensive substance agriculture. The farmer cultivate a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses and oilseed are the crop grown in this types of farming. Intensive substance agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated area of the monsoon region.
दोस्तों अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक एंड शेयर करें।
एग्रीकल्चर समरी देख लेते हैं। एग्रीकल्चर रेफर्स टू द प्रैक्टिस of science of farming that include cultivation of soil